So the next question is to solve the system of linear equations. There are three equations given and there are three unknowns x, y and z. To solve means we have to find the value of x, y and z. So this is a system of linear equations. So what we will do is we will convert the system into matrix format. We will write A. What is A? A is the coefficient matrix. So take the coefficient matrix in the order x, y, z. X, y, z is not a compulsory order. If you are taking as y, z, x, then or from all the equations, from all the three equations, you have to take the coefficients in the order y, z, x. Okay. So if I am taking the order as x, y, z, the 1, 2, 1 will be the coefficient. That means the first row. Second row is 2, 1, minus 1. And the third row will be 1, minus 1, 1. Okay. Again, you have to write x. X is a column matrix in which the variable we are writing. The variables are x, y and z. You have to write it in column matrix. And B is the constant matrix. We have to write the constant after taking it to the right side. So it is 8, 1 and 2. And all the equations or constants are given at the right side. So it is 8, 1, 2. The first step is find determinant of A. Determinant of A, if it is equal to 0, we are not able to find the solution. So find det A. Determinant of A will be equal to 1, 2, 1, determinant 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1. So expand as usual. So I am going to expand using the first row 1 into 1. There are two negatives and a negative here. So 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus from where this minus came according to the position. 2 into avoiding the column and the row 2 minus minus 1. So 2 plus 1. Plus 1 into avoid the column and the row. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 minus 1. So gives you the value 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 2 plus 1 3. 3 into minus 2 gives you minus 6. And minus 2 minus 1 gives you minus 3, which gives you the value minus 9. If it is not equal to 0, you have to express it by writing like this. It's not equal to 0. The next step is you have to find the adjoint. To find the adjoint matrix, what we will do is, we will write the matrix 4 times 1, 2, 1. Which matrix? A. 2, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Here also 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. One more time we will repeat 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. And avoid the last row and column elements from all the four sides. Okay. Again balance, we will take the product of the main diagonal minus product of the off diagonal. We will calculate row wise and write in column wise. When we write in row wise, we will get only adjoint matrix. We have to write in column wise, then we will directly get the cofactor matrix. Sorry, we will directly get the adjoint of this matrix. Okay. So adjoint is equal to 1 into 1, 1 minus, there are three negatives. So 1 minus 1 gives you 0. Again, 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Where you have to write in column minus 3. Again, minus 2 minus 1 which gives you minus 3. That also you will write in column. So 0 minus 3 is the first column. Again, minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus 2. That is minus 3 will becomes the second column. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus minus 1, that is 2 plus 1 which gives you the value 3. So minus 3, 0, 3 will be the second column. And the last column 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 which is minus 3. 2 minus minus 1, that is 2 plus 1, 3. And the last element is 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. So this will be our adjoint matrix. Okay, again what is the next step? We have to find the inverse of A. A inverse equal to adj into det A. Determinant of A we got as minus 9. So 1 by minus 9 into adjoint of A is 0, minus 3, minus 3. Then minus 3, 0, 3, minus 3, 3, minus 3. Okay. Again what we have to do, we have to use the formula x is equal to, the question is to find the value of x. X is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse, we got the value as 1 by minus 9 into matrix 0, minus 3, minus 3. Minus 3 is 0, 3 and minus 3, 3, minus 3 into P is the matrix which we got by writing the constant in column. So it is 8, 1 and 2. Multiply this matrix. Can you say what will be the order of the resultant matrix? This is a 3 by 3 matrix, isn't it? And here there are 3 rows and 1 column. So what will be the order of the resultant matrix? The order will be, it is 3 by 1. There will be 3 rows and 1 column. We will check. So multiplying these two matrices, minus 1 by 9 into 0 into 8 gives you 0, minus 3 into 1 gives you minus 3, minus 6. Okay, the next element will be minus 3 into 8 is minus 24, plus 0, plus 6, and the last element is again minus 24, plus 3, minus 6. And it is again a 3 by 1 matrix, 3 rows and 1 column. So again minus 1 by 9 into the first term, minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. Minus 24 plus 6 is minus 18, and minus 24, this is actually minus 3, isn't it? So minus 24 minus 3 gives you minus 27. And if I am multiplying with this minus 1 by 9, I will get minus 9 by minus 9, which gives you 1. Again minus 18 by minus 9, which gives you 2. And minus 27 by minus 9, which gives you 3. So we are getting X as column matrix 1, 2, 3. What was X? X is actually column matrix X, Y, Z. So we are getting X, Y, Z as 1, 2, 3. The question was to solve. Solve means we have to find the value of X, Y and Z. So from these two equal matrices, what we can say is X is equal to 1, so that Y is equal to 2 and Z is equal to 3. So this is how we are solving the system of linear equation using matrix.